So in my Treasure Island vlog, if you've seen it, I sarcastically described the photography in the hotel room as exquisite. But in this hotel room, I quite accurately can describe the photography as exquisite without being sarcastic. I'm actually a big fan.
Upgrade it for you for free, okay?
You're the best, thank you.
You're the best. What are you talking about? You're the one that keeps me entertained when my husband talks too much.
Thank you so much. So today's gotta be one of the best starts to a vlog I've ever had. As soon as I got in here, I got noticed by a woman named Holly, who's a big supporter, and I definitely have seen you in the comments, so thank you so much, you were very sweet. And then after that, I was checking in, doing the mobile checkout thing, and then right as I was finishing up printing my card, someone approached me who worked here, and naturally I thought I was getting in trouble for filming because that seems to be what's happening to me lately. But it was not that. Sandra is her name, a wonderful woman who was a huge fan and just was so nice to me and actually helped me get I think this is like a similar room to the one I booked, but it's on the top floor, has a strip view. It might be a little upgrade, I'm not exactly sure, but she hooked me up. Thank you so much, you were so sweet. And now let's continue with some Italian food, but first let me So Park MGM has this place called Eataly, and it's basically an Italian food hall with Italian restaurants, a marketplace, Italian groceries, and it's basically Mecca for a person like me who loves Italian food. So that's where we're going for lunch. It's lunchtime. I got this hazelnut little Italian treat. I got 2 slices of some pizza, some super Italian pizza with a lot of good toppings. Oh, also, I got sparkling water, which just kind of puts me in the mood. You know, whenever I'm in Europe or Italy, it's kind of like tradition to get sparkling water. It kind of gets, I don't know, it makes you feel more European. So that's what I got. Just waiting for this thing to go off now. So okay, we're gonna start with a quick room tour and then we're gonna go down to the pool. For those who don't know me, my name is Pomsy. I'm a filmmaker and vlogger who lives in Vegas, and today we are at the Park MGM, which just recently reopened. Beautiful hotel here. I booked the cheapest room I could find through Vegas.com. Here's a screenshot of what the pricing was. Yeah, I was luckily upgraded slightly by the wonderful Sandra. Thank you so much again. So I have a higher level and a better view than what I originally booked, but overall the room is the same. So yeah, let's get this room tour started. What is that? What is that? Look, it's like a super duper close up. Ew, I don't want to see that. Oh. So in my Treasure Island vlog, if you've seen it, I sarcastically described the photography in the hotel room as exquisite. But in this hotel room, I quite accurately can describe the photography as exquisite without being sarcastic. Okay, time to go to the pool and not bring the big camera. Let's go. So I'm at the pool here. It's pretty small, there's only one pool, but it's really nice. Average amount of people here. Pretty good vibes. Closed at 5, so we got a little bit of time. Alright, so it's about 7, it's dinner time. I decided that I'm going to get Hard Rock Cafe for dinner. Never had it before in Vegas, so I'm looking forward to it. And I have a special guest.
Hello, it's Greta.
Come on, let's go. We have a 28-minute wait to have dinner. In the meantime, we are shopping through the Hard Rock Cafe. Have you ever eaten here before?
No, no.
All right, so we just finished dinner at the Hard Rock, and
You know what makes me mad? That, I forgot.
I learned earlier today that Eddie Van Halen, who is the lead guitarist of Van Halen, passed away today. And during our dinner at the Hard Rock, they were playing a ton of music videos and songs from Van Halen, so it was nice to see that. All right, so we're gonna head back to Park MGM now. And I think I'm gonna toss in $20 in a slot machine or something, see what happens.
See what happens.
What do we got?
All right, so we just got back, blew through that $20 real quick, but hopefully that looked pretty cool for you guys. Now the plan is to get on the computer and I'm going to book a stay at Encore tomorrow. Just gonna spend the rest of the night editing. I have some work I gotta catch up on, especially if I wanna enjoy tomorrow as much as I can. I wanna finish that up tonight, so that's the game plan. What just happened?
I was behind the wall and I wanted to scare you, but then I felt bad. I didn't want you to break your camera or something.